In this exercise, we will learn the Lasso Tool. Basically, the Lasso Tool is a freehand tool that is used for random selections. The Lasso Tool is a very useful tool to make selections in an image. Okay, let's see how this tool will work. I have opened an image. You can also download this image in the exercise files. Okay, if I move my arrow key on the Tools bar, we can see here the Lasso Tool. If I right-click on it, we can see L is the shortcut key. Okay, I have selected this tool, and let's try to make a selection here. Let's click and drag the mouse around this flower, something like that. And you can see we have made a selection. We can press Ctrl and C for copy and Ctrl and V for paste. And let's hide this layer. And now we can see the selection image. Okay, let's undo that. Now we have some control options above. Add new selection. So let's draw a new selection here and choose Add New Selection, and then click and drag on it to add new selection. We've also got a shortcut key. Just press and hold the Shift key and drag on it, something like that. Now we have the subtract option. Just choose this option and click and drag. You can see it's perfectly subtracted. For the shortcut key, we can press and hold the Alt key and then drag for subtract. Okay, next we have the intersect option. If I click and drag, something like that, you can see it perfectly intersects the image. For the shortcut key, press and hold Shift and Alt and drag to intersect it. Okay, next we have the feather option. The feather option is used for smooth edges and for blending. We have already learned about this in the previous lecture. Okay, next we have the anti-alias option. Just check this mark on. It is basically used for smooth edges, and that is very, very cool. Okay, in the next exercise, we will learn the polygonal lasso tool.